You? How are you?
Fine, sir.
Very nice. Okay, so again we are here with second group. This is group number second. A few candidates from first group are also included in this pool. So today we are here to present our very first presentation in group discussion for group second, right? So today's topic is traditional education versus digital education, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Look at me. First of all, every candidate has to have his proper position. Proper sitting position. Just like put your hands on thighs. Look to your neighbor. Okay. Pull your hands back. Good it is. Just leave your chair. Leave your support. चेयर का सपोर्ट छोड़ना है. बस ये सही पोजीशनिंग है. थोड़ा हाथ पीछे करो बेटा. गुड. बहुत ही प्रॉपर पोजीशन में बैठे हैं. बहुत शानदार तरीके से. चेहरे पे बिल्कुल हल्का सा स्माइल रखें. स्ट्रेस फ्री चेहरा. एकदम जैसे आपको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा. दुनिया की कोई ताकत तुम्हारा कुछ नहीं कर सकती. तुम्हारे ऑफिसर्स तुम्हारे कॉम्पिटेंस के सामने कुछ नहीं. ठीक है. अब सबसे पहला इवेंट आपका होगा राउंड फर्स्ट, जिसके अंदर हम इंट्रोडक्शन के साथ में टॉपिक डिस्क्रिप्शन करेंगे. SD सेल्फ डिस्क्रिप्शन फॉलोड बाय द टॉपिक डिस्क्रिप्शन. ओके. सो टुडे द हाईएस्ट चेस्ट नंबर विल स्टेट फर्स्ट. उल्टा चलाएंगे आज. इंट्रोड्यूसिंग हिमसेल्फ फॉलोड बाय द डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ द गिवन टॉपिक. राइट? यस. स्टेट चेस्ट नंबर 95.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Manish Yadav. I belong to Rewari in Haryana. I have cleared class 12th with 80% marks. Now I am pursuing BSc in mathematics. I belong to a humble middle class family. We are 4 members in our family. My father, Mr. Sardar Singh, is a soldier, and my mother, Mrs. Hemlata Devi, is a house taker. We are 2 siblings, and I am interested in visiting historical places, and my hobby is to play cricket. My aim is to join Indian Air Force. Now I am going to present my views on the suggested topic, digital education versus traditional education. Traditional, as the name suggests, traditional education is an education which is followed by means of any by means of a teacher.
Next.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Sarjit Singh from Sikar in Rajasthan. I recently passed my BSc second year from MGSU Bikaner, and I am now pursuing in BSc third year. We are 4 family members in my family. My father, Mr. Pawan Singh, is a driver in a transport company, and my mother, Mrs. Kiran Kaur, is a house taker. And we are 2 siblings. My hobbies are to play cricket and play outdoor games and some indoor games also. I am interested in visiting historical places, and now I am going to put on my views on the given topic, traditional education versus digital education. Traditional education means the student goes to school and study from the teacher, and digital education means a student teaches from online education by presentations and video tuitions, etc. And these topics we will discuss now.
Good. Next. जोर से बोलना बेटा.
Jain sir, I am Vikas from Sikar, Rajasthan.
Yes.
My family member, we are 5 members. Yes.
Next.
Good morning, sir, and my dear friends. I am Govind Singh Gurjar from Karoli in Rajasthan. I have recently passed class 12th with 96% marks. Now I am pursuing BSc first year in mathematics. I belong to middle class Hindu family. We are 5 members in our family. My father, Mr. Samran Singh Gurjar, is a librarian, and my mother, Mrs. Sheila Devi, is a house taker. My hobby is to play cricket, and my dream is to join Indian Air Force. Now I am going to present my views on the given topic, digital education and versus traditional education. I believe that the digital education somewhat taking over traditional education. Digital education, the courage of digital education is increased since COVID-19 and COVID-19.
Next.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Narendra Singh from Churu, Rajasthan. I have recently completed my graduation from Maharaja Ganga Singh University, Bikaner, Rajasthan. We are 5 members in our family. My father, Mr. Bajrang Singh, he is a bus driver, and my mother, Ms. Sajjan Kanwar, she is a housemaker. And we are 3 siblings. My hobby is playing outdoor and indoor games, and I am interested to visiting historical palaces, and my dream is to join Indian Air Force. Now I am going to present my views on the topic. Today's topic for given is digital education versus the traditional education. The both ways of education is very important for a student, but in the digital education, student educate from the online, like from the mobile phones and laptops, but in the traditional education, student get education, go to the school and interact with personally with the teachers. But in the present time, especially after the pandemic time, students prefer the online education, because in the pandemic time.
Good morning, sir, and my dear friends. I am Siddhant from Alwar in Rajasthan. I have recently passed class 12th with 82%. Now I am pursuing BSc first year in mathematics. We are 4 members in our family. My father, Mr. Anil Kumar, is a worker in a company, and my mother, Mrs. Usha Devi, is a house taker. We are 2 siblings. My hobby is to playing indoor and outdoor games, and I am interested visiting historical places. My dream is to join Indian Air Force. Now I am going to present my views upon the given topic, traditional education versus digital education. Digital education is education through source of the digital media. Traditional form of education is in this education is the teacher is the self-centered. On the traditional education.
Next.
Good afternoon to all of you. I am Anand Sharma and I belong to Jhanjhar, Rajasthan, which is known for its appreciable literacy rate and high number of marchers. I completed my 12th class in 2020 and now pursuing my graduation from Sequat University. My father, Mr. Ramgopal Sharma, is a farmer, and my mother, Bhavri Devi, is a house taker. My family consists of 8 members, included me. My hobbies are playing cricket and outdoor games, and my strength are hardworking and good leadership among the people, and also being stable in one works until it's get completed. I want to join Indian Air Force because the duty, dress and discipline of Indian Air Force is always attractive to me, and also I want to touch the sky with glory. Thank you. Now I present my views upon the given topic. Digital education versus traditional education. In my opinion, this topic is a controversial topic. So I believe that both of education system, digital education or traditional education, are kept the greatest importance among the people. And digital method of education are provide.
Next.
Good morning, sir, and my dear friends. I am Vikas Kumar from Badki in Churu in Rajasthan. I have recently passed BSc first year in mathematics with 86%. I am pursuing BSc second year in mathematics. I belong to a humble middle class family. We are 5 members in my family. My father, Mr. Rajendra Prasad, is farmer. My mother, Mrs. Mohani Devi, is a humble housewife. We are 3 siblings. My hobby is to play and watch cricket. My goal is to join Indian Air Force. Now I am going to present my views on the given topic: traditional education system and digital education system. Traditional education system is a teacher-centered education system, in which traditional education teacher spreading their knowledge in entire classroom, student clarifying their doubt in easily. Traditional education is a very expensive rather than that of digital education, because of in digital education many teachers on YouTube and other platform provide free of cost education. Digital education harmful for our eyesight because of we are used regularly.
Next.
Good afternoon everyone. This is Siddharth Gate. I belong to Sikar, Rajasthan. I am pursuing in BA final year. My hobby is playing indoor and outdoor games. My strength is to being adaptable in any environment and honest, punctual and self-motivated and team worker. My weakness is I am not comfortable until I complete my work on the given time. My goal is to join Indian Air Force. Now I am deliver my views on the given topic, traditional education and digital education. Digital education is cheaper and easily delivered by any platform, and in traditional education a teacher will be centered to deliver the knowledge to the students, and in this the main focus and the students will be easily clear their doubts from teacher. Thank you.
Next.
Good morning everyone. I am Devendra Rojadia from Sikar in Rajasthan. I have recently passed BSc second year in mathematics and now I am pursuing in BSc final year. We are 5 members in our family. My father Mr. Havasing Rojadia is a farmer. My mother Mrs. Sunita Devi is a housemaker. We are 3 siblings. My hobby is playing cricket and I am interested in reading novels, and my dream is to join Indian Air Force. Now I am going to present my views upon the given topic, social media and versus digital media. Digital media consists representations, video tutorial and online tests. Video tutorials and presentations are for educating individual, while online tests and puzzles are for individual growth and improvement in their studies. Where traditional education is a teacher-centered system in which a teacher gives spreading its knowledge among the students.
Next.
Good morning everyone. I am Arun from Alwar in Rajasthan. I have recently passed class 12th with 79%. I belong to a middle class family. We are 4 members in our family. My father Mr. Man Singh is a farmer and my mother is a house taker. We are 2 siblings. My hobby is to play cricket and I am interested in visiting historical places. My dream is to join Indian Air Force. Now I am going to present my views given the topic digital education and traditional education. Digital education is education through some sort of digital media like presentation, video tutorials and online test, etc. While presentation and video tutorials.
Good morning friends. First of all, I would like to thank you for giving me an opportunity to introduce myself. I am Rajendra from Jhunjhunu, the land of Martyrs in Rajasthan. We are 4 members in my family. Beside my parents, I have an elder brother. Presently, I am preparing for defense competition exam and my hobby is to play outdoor games. And my dream job is to join Indian Air Force. That's all about me. Now I am going to deliver my views on the given topic. The topic is digital education versus online traditional education. Let's talk about it. Online education is through various of digital platform like presentation, video tutorials. Thanks.
Next.
Good afternoon everyone. My name
Joseph.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Umesh Shah from Sikar in Rajasthan. I have recently passed my BSc second year with 75%. Now I am pursuing BSc final year in mathematics from Government College of Jaipur. I belong to a humble middle class family. We have 4 members in our family. My father Mr. Satyanarayana Shah is a farmer and my mother Mrs. Subhita Devi is a housemaker, and we are 2 siblings. My hobbies are playing outdoor and indoor games. I interested to visiting historical place. My dream is to join Indian Air Force. Now I am going to express my views on this given topic, digital education versus traditional education. As we know that traditional education is that teacher and student will connected to physically, and digital education where teacher and student connect mentally but not physically.
Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Sundar Ritwal from Mandava in Rajasthan. I have recently passed my 12th class with 30%. Now I am pursuing BSc first year in mathematics. I belong to a middle class family. My father Mr. Subhas Ritwal is a farmer. My mother Mrs. Vinod Devi is a house taker. We are 3 siblings in our family. My hobby is to play outdoor games and my goal is to join Indian Air Force. Now I want to give my opinion about the given topic, traditional education versus digital education. Both of education are very important for us because of their opinion about it. And traditional education is a
Next.
Good afternoon, all of you. I am Naresh Kumar from Bansur in Rajasthan. I have passed 12th with 84%. Currently, I am doing BSc in mathematics. I belong to a humble Hindu family. We are 4 members in my family. My father, Mr. Kaluram, is a farmer. My mother, Mrs. Mana Devi, is a homemaker. We are 2 siblings in my family. My hobbies are to playing cricket and reading newspaper. I am interested in to visit historical place. I want to join Indian Air Force because I want to make a pilot in this medium. Now I am going to express my views on the given topic. Digital education and traditional education. Both of the education medium is very great. It play a great role among the children. Digital education provides flexibility in terms of the times and the path.
Stop.
Education.
Stop. Sit down. Okay, guys. So it was your round first, and all over your performance is like that. I'm just telling the chess numbers who performed outstandingly, right? So the outstanding performers are chess number 95, 94, 83, 79, 71. Your performance is above the hills. Outstanding, no doubt, right? फेस फर्स्ट शानदार तरीके से क्लियर होता है. बाकी बच्चों ने गजब का एफर्ट किया, नो डाउट, वो भी कम नहीं है. इनके पैरेलली कुछ बच्चे भी हैं और कुछ बच्चे जिन्होंने काफ़ी डल परफॉर्मेंस किया. चेस नंबर 87, आपका क्या होगा भगवान जाने. 84 थोड़ा लैक ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस नजर आए. 82 थोड़ा लैक ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस नजर आए. 80 हिमसेल्फ थोड़ा लैक ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस नजर आए. 74 लैक ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस. 40 लैक ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस. एंड ठीक है, बाकी हमें थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस की कमी है, बट थोड़ा जोर से बोलें, अच्छा बोलें. टॉपिक अच्छे से प्रिपेयर नहीं था. पर्सनल इंट्रोडक्शन सबका आउटस्टैंडिंग है, शानदार परफॉर्मेंस आ रही है. टॉपिक को डिस्क्राइब करने में थोड़ा सा जोर आ रहा है क्योंकि अभी आप थोड़े नए हैं, राइट. आई थिंक ये अच्छा फ्लो के साथ में आप बोलने लग जाएंगे 1-2 डिस्कशन के बाद में. और गाइस अब हम जो है वो नेक्स्ट इवेंट करते हैं. सभी प्रिपेयर्ड हैं?
Yes, sir.
All are prepared?
Yes, sir.
Should we start right now?
Yes, sir.
First of all, I'm going to tell you do's and don'ts of the group discussion. I usually used to tell you group discussions and do's and don'ts, right? So, first thing is try to initiate the group discussion if you have good knowledge of the given topic. If somebody is already describing about the topic, then you need not to interrupt him. Okay? You need not interrupt him. Okay. The third thing is, if somebody is just near about to stop or having pauses in between, बीच में gap ले रहा होता है, then you should try to interfere the guy. उस समय आप अपना स्टेटमेंट रखने की कोशिश करें. आप बार बार बोलने का प्रयास करें, फिर भी आपका नंबर नहीं आ रहा है तो आप उसी सेंटेंस के ऊपर अडिग रहें, बोलते रहें. जब भी कोई आपको मौका मिलेगा, कोई बच्चा बोलता बोलता धीरे हो जाएगा, तब आपका नंबर जरूर आ जाएगा. But at least participate 3 or 4 times in the group discussion minimum. Clear? Should we start right now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's start. 3, 2, 1.
I support
students.
I support traditional education because we are
get the educations.
all are from traditional education.
Yes, sir.
And we
my friend
easily
and
adaptable in
that
traditional
in
system.
digital ways, many students are not able to going to schools because of they are handicapped and sick, so they get knowledge from the digital ways.
Yes, my friends are saying, but it is very harmful because the students are spending their time on chat, Instagram, Facebook, and other social media.
Yes, I agree with you. Because there is many disturbance on the digital platforms. There are students can disturbed by many social media platforms and many games. There is available on digital platforms.
Students are affected by online gaming and
There are many digital
Okay, group, stop discussing. This is a great group discussion because of the fish selling is going on. फिश सेलिंग होने लगती है, इसका मतलब है कि कमांड होगी आप लोगों की मस्त वाली, है ना। अब आप इसमें अच्छे से पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं। फिश सेलिंग में जब कोई किसी की नहीं सुन रहा होता है तब वहाँ पे आपके ग्रुप को 2 सब ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड किया जा सकता है और दोनों ग्रुप्स को दोबारा उसी टॉपिक के ग्रुप डिस्कशन करने के लिए बोला जा सकता है। सेकेंडरी आपका जो इंटरव्यूइंग पैनल है उसमें विंग कमांडर या उससे अबो रैंक के जो भी अधिकारी हो सकते हैं वहाँ पे प्रोबेबली वो आपको डिबेट करने के लिए बोल सकते हैं। टॉपिक भी डिबेट वाला ही चल रहा है, ट्रेडिशनल एजुकेशन वर्सेस डिजिटल एजुकेशन। ग्रुप ए को वो एक डिजिटल एजुकेशन की प्रॉज में बोलने के लिए कह सकता है, तो आपको ट्रेडिशनल एजुकेशन के प्रॉज में बोलने के लिए कह सकता है। ऐसे में आप लोग तैयार रहें कि कैसा भी टॉपिक यदि मिले तो उसके प्रॉज एंड कॉन्स को बहुत अच्छे से प्रिपेयर रखें, ठीक है। अब मैंने आपके ग्रुप डिस्कशन में इंटरफेयर किया है। अब मैं आपसे ये आग्रह करता हूँ, रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ आपके ग्रुप से कि आप एक एक के स्टेटमेंट को सुने। कोई भी एक बच्चा बोल रहा है तो बाकी बच्चे नहीं बोलेंगे, उस एक बच्चे को सुने। जहाँ कहीं भी उसकी लैकिंग होती है, थोड़ा रुकता है, पॉज करता है, वहाँ पे एंट्री मारे। एंट्री मारने के लिए सभी एक साथ एफर्ट करेंगे, नो डाउट करेंगे वो तो। ऐसे में आपको लगता है कि फिर सेलिंग हो रही तो आप चुप रहिए, किसी और को बोलने दीजिए। आपको पूरा 10 मिनट का समय मिलेगा जिसके अंदर आपको बोलने का मौका मिलेगा। आपको लगता है कि समय 3 मिनट से ऊपर निकल गया है लगभग, अब मेरा नंबर नहीं आ रहा, तो आप हाथ खड़ा करके बोल सकते हैं कि गाइस स्टॉप, आई वुड लाइक टू पुट माई व्यूज अपॉन दिस टॉपिक, राइट। या फिर आप सर से इजाजत ले सकते हैं कि सर मुझे इसके ऊपर बोलने दीजिए। क्लियर? ओके, शुड वी स्टार्ट अगेन? ओके, अब इनिशिएट करने का कोई रोल नहीं है, अब आपको बोलना है इनिशिएट। इसमें मैंने जिसको इनिशिएट मारना था मैंने मान लिया है, उसकी मार्किंग हो चुकी है। अब दोबारा से मैं ग्रुप डिस्कशन स्टार्ट करता हूँ, आपके पार्टिसिपेशन के नंबर जुड़ेंगे। क्लियर? ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट। 3, 2, 1।
Government of India digital education. For example, the government of Uttar Pradesh distribute many laptops for.
Yes, my friend, I agree with you. Cell number 84, there is many educational platform that work on many states work for teachers and education and
Digital ways are very important, but in the traditional institute, student learn discipline, dedication, and many other.
Online tests and quizzes are provided to understand their level.
I am agree with the guy because
Yes, my friend, it is difficult to asking a question in a physical education.
like practical classes is not only for online education.
tutor.
Yes, sir.
Digital education provides flexibility to time,
Yes, digital
space and
is also disturbing, but in the
if
pandemic time,
an
we see
individual is
Yes, my friends are asking question in digital in education is critical and time consuming because a student who
we learn a lot of
Let's ask to clarify your doubt about the topics that you have initiated.
Yes, my friend, who asking
chances that the English teachers that are not able to study for teaching
comment on this question and he got answer after 2 minutes after
For many students, the actual
39, chest number 39, stop. Do not speak further. Remaining candidates will continue. बाकी कंटिन्यू रखिए.
digital education also we have provided digital education which provides
digital education affect our
Chest number
eyes.
94 will not speak further. Remaining
Digital
candidates will
education
be
provides
continued.
a good platform to the new teachers that are not able to teach at the offline institutes and also. Online education is, but from online education we can only clear our doubts only for technical education and practical.
Yes, my friend, there are traditional education is also practically and there are courses some practical 24 courses which are provided in only traditional courses like not necessarily traditional provide that all are practical.
79, stop.
Digital education save the money and digital education save.
Sorry to interrupt, just number 80, but my views are differ from you. As traditional education also provides wide range and more employment opportunities than online education. In online education, only short courses and limited courses are available, but in long-term educations like degrees, there is only traditional education is better than.
Yes, I agree with my dear friend, and we all know that in the traditional education we learn a lot of things like sports.
Stop, 83, stop.
Yes, but in online education we can only understand the conceptual but not practically. For the practical on classes we have to go to the traditional education.
Just number 94, I agree with you, but in my opinion, is the traditional education and digital education are the save and money and time. But this is very harmful for human eye, and they become very nervous and emotionless.
But also flexibility in the
71, stop.
employing the digital way of the education.
I am agree with education decrease the employees of those persons who are depends on the education related works like bus driver and
Stop.
servants.
Both of us stop.
In the offline education we have traditional education we do all the activities like
Okay,
the study.
I'm going to dismiss the group discussion, guys. So now I'm going to tell you the pros and cons. सबसे लास्ट में मैंने दो कैंडिडेट्स को रोका जो चेस नंबर 2 और 5 है. आप पैरेलली बोल रहे हैं, एक की तरफ देख ही नहीं रहे, तो फिर आप किसको सुना रहे हैं? ग्रुप डिस्कशन इन द सेंस जो कोई भी बोल रहा है उसको आपको देखना है. ये बोल रहा है तो इसकी तरफ देख के आप बोले, आपको बोलना है तो ये बोल रहा है तो आप देखें, ठीक है? आप बोले तो ये देखें. इसमें आप जो बच्चा जिसका वॉल्यूम अच्छा है, साउंड जो क्रिएट कर सकता है, वो बच्चा दूसरे बच्चे को ओवरकम कर सकता है, ठीक है? ऐसे में आप इसको एक बार हाथ से इशारा करके हल्का सा रोकते हुए भी अपना स्टेटमेंट रख सकते हैं कि भाई आई वुड लाइक टू पुट माई व्यू, देन आफ्टर आई वुड लाइक टू टेक योर, राइट? पहले मुझे कहने दो फिर आप कहिए, या फिर आप ये बात इसको बोल सकते हैं. दो जने पैरेलली बोलते हैं तो दोनों कंसिडर नहीं होंगे. क्लियर? इसी तरह से जब आपने चेस नंबर 71 ने चेस नंबर 80 को रोका था किसी बात पे, आप किसी बात से एग्री नहीं थे, आपने अपना व्यू दिया, उसके ठीक बाद में चेस नंबर 83 ने एंट्री मारी, तो चेस नंबर 80 आपको इसका अपोज करना था वहाँ, राइट? आपकी बात से एग्री नहीं है तो आप फिर से अपने उस स्टेटमेंट पे स्ट्रांगली आइए. आपको ज़्यादा कुछ बोलना नहीं आता है तो आपने जो स्टेटमेंट बोला था उसको दोबारा इसको बताएं, स्ट्रांगली रिकमेंड करें उसको कि ऐसा ही है भाई, इसके पीछे छोटा सा कोई और लॉजिक या फैक्ट आप जोड़ करके कह सकते हैं तो आप वहीं पे पास हो गए। जिन जिन कैंडिडेट्स को मैंने बीच में रोक दिया, इट मीन्स की रोकते ही वो कैंडिडेट क्या हो चुका है, उसमें क्वालिफाइड हो चुका है। समझ गए आप लोग? आपने जितना हमें चाहिए था उतना आपने पार्टिसिपेट कर लिया, अब बाकी को पार्टिसिपेट करवाया जाना चाहिए, क्योंकि ग्रुप में क्या होने लगी है, फिश सेलिंग होने लगी है। इसलिए मजबूरी में हमें ऐसे ग्रुप डिस्कशन में एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी पार्टिसिपेट करने वाले कैंडिडेट्स को रोकना पड़ता है। क्लियर? ओके, थैंक यू फॉर योर ग्रुप डिस्कशन। बहुत शानदार परफॉर्मेंस निकल के सामने आ रहा है। कुछ एक कैंडिडेट्स का परफॉर्मेंस थोड़ा डाउन है, मैं उनको अभी बता दूंगा। आप अच्छे से पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे तो आपका बहुत अच्छा निखार आ जाएगा। ओके, थैंक यू। जय हिंद, जय भारत, वंदे मातरम। जुड़े रहिए गाइस, लेकर आते रहेंगे आपके लिए ऐसे ही टॉपिक्स और शानदार ग्रुप डिस्कशंस। देखते रहिए।